That's all for today. We will continue this story next time. Goodbye, everyone.
Neutral Pataka Jidru Krea, Hanila, Pataka Tinga Kura Patakinan Translia, Hanila, Skeldia.
What is your name?
My name is Lu.
Where is your home?
My home is Dunsan.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
What is your name?
My name is Dechun.
Where is your home?
My home is Dunshan.
How old are you?
I'm 30.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study English.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English-in-Mongghul.
Haneles Nisa, Yinzulaman was Rugno, Kesloa.
In our last lesson, we were learning a story.
Mishango Kura Pataka Nantanasrua.
The story was about the frog child.
Ninantar is Bawa Blinga.
This is text number 71.
Nejis Zichigawa.
Today, let's finish this story.
Neutral Patakinantanam Bragadia.
Please listen and repeat.
Hanila Mishipraga Titaga Mishilda.
The rich man's beautiful daughter is angry.
Tepayankuna Zanjishuna Jila Shivna.
She does not want to marry a frog.
Tepawakala Jihuna go Tralanguiguna.
She wants to marry a man.
Tekungala Jihuna Gutralana.
She tries to kill the frog.
Teshambafa Pawana Alat Gigna.
The frog is angry too.
Nepawa Yahut Jilaja.
He says, "You are not a good woman."
Kanklegun Chisena Nine Kungapcha.
I do not want to marry you.
Puchimala Jihuna Gutrangua.
The frog goes to the rich man's home.
Nepawa Tepayankun Kutanisha.
The frog says, "Give me your second daughter."
Nepawa Clegunu and Dachina Loation and Wa.
The rich man is angry.
Tepayankun Jila Shivna.
He says, "I gave you my oldest daughter."
Kanklegunu Puchima Drishka Shuna Wasa.
You do not want to marry her.
Chikala Jihuna Gutralangua.
Now, you want to marry my second daughter.
Tochimana Loeshuna Jihuna Gutralana.
You are a bad frog.
Chitomu Pawagamba.
The frog says, "If you do not give me your second daughter, I will weep."
Nepawa Clegunu. Chinda Loeshuna Libusa Publaki.
The rich man says, "You may weep."
Tepayankun Clegunu Chivula.
I don't care.
不理过了
You may not marry my beautiful second daughter.
亲们的真金罗也选了机会了等
The frog weeps.
你把我乌拉下
There is much water.
这样很个水呢
All the people are very afraid.
困个胡的大家
The rich man says, You may marry my beautiful daughter.
这白羊困可来个亲们的真金罗也选了机会了
Please stop weeping.
比不啦
The second daughter loves the frog.
你罗也选了把娃了机会了个多少机会呢
They marry.
这个机会了下
Lamula and Nima are very happy.
咱们拉的你妈屋了胡的白死家
One night, the frog takes off his frog clothes.
你给说那个的你把娃进哪呢把娃地给那提了噻
He is a handsome young Monghulla man.
该那这啥来让提妈妈困个
The second daughter is very surprised.
天罗也选了关系跟了个下
She is very happy.
天胡等个白死家
One day, there is a horse race.
你给多人呢跑马会你呢
The frog's wife wants to go.
天把娃能白人呢是给个呢
The frog says, You may go to the horse race.
你把娃开个呢去跑马会是小
I will stay at home.
不可得说呀
I will not go to the horse race.
不跑马会是一心
The frog's wife goes to the horse race.
你把娃能白人呢跑马会是还是西个呢
A young, handsome Monghulla man wins the horse race.
来让真金提忙我困个头家一个呢
His horse runs very fast.
该那某人呢扶着最马里一个呢
His horse is a beautiful white horse.
该那某人呢看提谁还某人一个呢
The frog's wife does not know who the rider is.
你把娃呢白人呢天父呢进看你还没带着鬼个呢
She thinks he looks like her husband.
天母了啥该那离开了呢sal的你个呢
She goes home.
天苦的那下
She says, Today there was a horse race.
天开个呢你有点跑马会你呢
The winner was a handsome young Monghulla man.
他头家呢谁还提忙我来让困个
I do not know him,
不应点呢看你哈
but he looks like you. The frog said nothing.
天把我也没得开着过
The next day, the wife says, I am going to the horse race.
回去都是那别人的开过呢不跑马会是给
The frog says, I will stay home.
เทพปาวาเคลียกุนบุคุตสเกีย
I will not go to the horse race.
บุพมาคุยยีชิม
The frog's wife does not go to the horse race.
เทพปาวานเปรนพมาคุยชิกุยวา
She is looking through a window.
เทช่างกว่าซะทรจีริเจสุจิวนะ
The frog is taking off his frog clothes.
เทพปาวาจีน่าปาวาตีน่าทิลนิวนะ
He is a handsome young Mongol man.
กันละมันเช่นที่มองว่าละลังคุงอยู่นะ
He rides his horse.
กันจีน่ามูรนาฟนะ
He leaves.
กันยูชิวนะ
The wife is not happy.
เทเปรเปสิกุยวนะ
She burns the frog's clothes.
เทปาวาตีนี้นะชราคชิวนะ
The handsome young Mongol man comes home.
เทละมันเช่นละละมองว่าคุณคุตนาฮาราจา
He is not happy.
กันเปสจกว่า
His frog clothes are burned.
กันปาวาตีนี้นะชราชา
He is ill.
กันนารลาชา
He says, I must have my frog clothes.
กันเคลียกุนูป้ามักสดปาวาตีนาเคลียกุย
If I do not have frog clothes, I will die.
มันปาวาตีกุยค่ะป้ามักสดกุกนา
The frog's wife is very sad.
เทปาวานเปรนขุตชนาลจา
She weeps.
เทวลานิวนา
She holds her husband.
เทลิขนาทีระ
But the handsome young Mongol man cannot live.
เทละมันเช่นละละมองว่าคุณติกิสตจกว่า
He does not have his frog clothes.
ขันจินาปาวาตีนาเวรสตจกว่า
He dies.
แกกุชะ
Nima and Lamula are very sad.
นี่มาตาละมลากุละขุติงชนาลจา
The wife is very sad too.
เทเปรนยาขุติชนาลจา
They all weep.
เทคือวลานา
Now let's look at number 72.
โตปตะคือจะเชกุนอร์เจลเดีย
Please listen and repeat.
ฮานาชงละตีตาจมิชิลโด
Can you make some good milk tea, Nima?
นี่มาจิเซนที่เซฮันสุนดีชามังกสตาสตานุ
Yes, of course I can.
สเต็มต้องนำสเต็ม
Is there any water in this kettle?
นาทีเขาจะชามังกีนันุ
Where is the brick of tea?
แทงปูจะชานจ้า
Yes, there is water in the kettle.
โอ้ทีเขาจะสีนะ
The brick of tea is on the table, dear. It is behind the teapot.
มันเซนอถ้าชาชิริตระวาถ้าทีเขาคุยนะว่า
Can you see it?
ชิเทนสเกา
I can see the large teapot, but I can't see the tea.
不听是个提供的 scan 的的，他查你的里 scan，
There it is.
他提管了，
It's in front of you.
亲的没事。
Ah, yes. I can see it now.
哦呀，不都填的是个吧？
Where are the teacups?
他查岗是干家，
There are some in the cupboard, and there are some on the table.
那见了问家规了，你见了谁是吧？
Can you find them?
去填个 scan 了，
Yes, here they are.
对吧？
These teacups are very beautiful.
你查岗是个胡的谁汉呢？
They have dragons on them.
填个的人的理不着，
Who gave us these teacups?
看来查岗是个不着，
My mother gave us these teacups.
我哪嘛你查岗是个不着，
When we married, my mother gave them to us.
不打个结婚了的啦呢，我哪嘛当年的不着，
Hurry up, Nima. The kettle is boiling.
你妈妈里他提后学了还是说？
That's all for today. Goodbye, everyone.
你都是不打个就这个呀，喊你了，谁打是个的呀？
What is your name?
My name is Yang Hongyue.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
Where is your home?
I live in Dongguo.
How many brothers do you have?
I have two brothers.
What are their names?
One is Zhen Miao, one is Dan Jian.
What is your name?
My name is Li Lian.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Where is your home?
My home is Wushi.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Do you study English?
Yes, I studied English.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English-in-Mongghul.
喊你了是你啥？印出来嘛，我那书呢，开始了吧？
Today, let's begin with number 73.
你都不打个字73个啥开始了？
Please listen and repeat.
喊你了，抢了这个大家没晓得。
Are there any loaves of bread on the table?
谁认识的妈妈伊娜呢？
Yes, there are.
伊娜。
There are 2 loaves of bread on the table.
谁认？我是的妈伊娜。
Is there any bread on the table?
谁认识的妈伊娜呢？
Yes, there is.
伊娜。
There are 2 loaves of bread on the table.
谁认？我是的妈伊娜。
Are there any hammers behind that box?
这胡子回来吹满伊娜呢？
Yes, there are.
伊娜。
There are 2 hammers behind that box.
天个胡子会呢，我吹呢。
Is there milk in front of the door?
我带么些苏梅呢nu?
Yes, there is.
伊呢。
There is milk in front of the door.
我带么些孙姨呢？
There are 2 bottles of milk in front of the door.
我带么些胡浪花孙姨呢？
Are there any bottles of milk in front of the door?
我带么些浪花是装了给咱苏梅姨呢nu?
Yes, there are.
伊呢。
There are 2 bottles of milk in front of the door.
我带么些胡浪花孙姨呢？
Is there any milk in our home?
打那个苏曼个姨呢nu?
Yes, there is.
伊呢。
There is much good milk in our home.
打那个胡的蓝满钱谁那孙姨呢？
The milk is on the table.
天苏和谁是吧？
The milk is in a large pot.
天苏和土是吧？
Is there any soap on the sideboard?
天班他的非洲嘛姨呢nu?
Yes, there is.
伊呢。
There is soap on the sideboard.
天班他的非洲姨呢。
There are 3 bars of soap on the sideboard.
天班他的果然非洲姨呢。
The soap smells nice.
那非洲呢味道呢谁呢？
Are there any newspapers behind that beautiful small blue vase?
天个谁还没拉伊朗花盆的回来能不知道喊伊呢呢？
Yes, there are.
伊呢。
There are 3 newspapers behind that vase.
天个花盆回呢，果然不知伊呢。
One is a Tibetan newspaper.
你看呢？铁板报纸吧。
One is an English newspaper.
你看呢？英语报纸吧。
And one is a Chinese newspaper.
第一你看呢？其他报纸吧。
Is there any water in those glasses?
他查看子的话，苏梅伊呢呢？
Yes, there is.
伊呢。
There is water in those glasses.
他伙查看子呢，水伊呢。
The 2 glasses are on the table.
他伙查看子谁的吧？
Is there any tea in those nice dragon teacups?
他六步上谁还查看子的话，查满伊呢呢？
Yes, there is.
伊呢。
There is tea in these 2 cups.
他伙查看子是查伊呢。
Is there any chocolate behind that book?
他个不就会呢？巧克力满个伊呢呢？
Yes, there is.
伊呢。
There are 2 bars of chocolate behind that book.
他个不就会呢？我巧克力伊呢。
Are there any chocolate bars behind that book?
天个不就会呢？就去了满个一呢喽。
Yes, there are two.
果然呢。
Now, please look at number 74.
到汉内了，这74个那之间了。
Please listen and repeat.
汉内了，抢了不拉古，大家就没晓得。
Can you please come here a minute, Limudanju?
那么单着，这人给就是啥是大姑娘喽？
Yes, sir, I can.
阿哥不是单。
Where's Miss Goshjin?
看寻阿姑人家，
She's next door.
天个是点吧？
She's in her office.
天进那办公室上啊，
She is typing.
天涯你还怕呢？
She is very busy.
天活得忙呢。
Can she type this short letter for me?
天大年个活儿行了，怕就话是他们，
Please ask her.
亲个啥啊？
Yes, Mr. Nima.
你妈个，路过呢？
Can you type this letter for the boss, please, Miss Goshjin?
看下过，今年个行了，老板都怕就话是大姑娘喽。
Yes, of course I can.
当然不是的，
Here you are.
马会呀。
Thank you, Limudanju. Limudanju,
喊了个那么单着，那么单着，
yes, what's the matter?
俺们个些
I can't type this letter.
不念的怕的呢，
I can't read it.
不念那么下的呢。
Mr. Nima's handwriting is terrible.
你妈跟那93批呢，一起到蒙古了，
75.
这75个。
I can put my hat on, but I can't put my Monghulla robe on.
不忙了那93的就到忙了身边那么啥的呢？
Can he put his hat on?
干忙了那93的呢？
Yes, he can.
干是的呢。
He can put his hat on.
看见那忙了那93的呢？
Can he put his Monghulla robe on?
干忙我身边那么40的呢？
No, he can't.
瓜，干是的瓜。
He can't put it on.
看天那么40的瓜。
76.
是76个。
I can see that airplane, but I can't see a bird.
不听个飞机呢是干的知道，不听修呢是干的呢。
Can Nima see an airplane?
你妈飞机呢是干啥的呢？
Yes, he can see it.
干天是干啥的呢？
He can see the airplane.
干天飞机呢是干呢？
Nima can see the airplane.
你妈天飞机是干呢？
Can Nima see the bird?
你妈天修呢是干的呢？
No, Nima can't see the bird.
瓜， 你妈寻的是个灯光，
77.
这七个。
I can paint this bookcase, but I can't paint this room.
不念不就家子呢？有了灯的的，不念个人有了灯。
Can he paint that bookcase?
看天不就家子呢？有了灯了呢？
Yes, he can.
干是灯啊。
Can he paint the room?
看天个人有了灯了呢？
No, he can't paint it.
挂，看天呢有了灯挂，
78.
这78个。
I can lift that light chair, but I can't lift this heavy table.
不念个困关日子呢，或者那个灯的的不念个呢困灯时呢，或者那个灯。
Can he lift the table?
看那时呢，或者那个灯呢？
No, he can't.
挂，干是灯挂。
The table is heavy.
天时困灯啊。
Can he lift the chair?
看那日子呢，或者那个灯呢？
Yes, he can.
干是灯啊。
79.
这79个。
I can read this English book, but I can't read this magazine.
不念个英语不就那么些灯的的，念个杂志那么些灯呢？
Can she read the English book?
天那英语不就那么些灯呢？
Yes, she can.
天是灯啊。
Can Gashjin read the magazine?
干是那杂志那么些灯呢？
No, she can't read the magazine.
挂，天杂志那么些灯挂。
80.
这是80。
I can jump off this box, but I can't jump off that wall.
不念个胡子是啥，兜了不是灯的，天是嘛是兜了就不啊灯。
Can Gashjin jump off the box?
干是天胡子是啥，兜了就不是灯呢？
Yes, she can jump off that box.
天胡子是啥，兜了就不是灯呢？
Can Gashjin jump off the wall?
干是天是嘛是兜了就不是灯呢？
No, she can't.
挂，天是灯挂。
She can't jump off the wall.
天是嘛是兜了就不是灯挂。
That's all for today. Goodbye, everyone.
你都是记得可以啊，喊你了，谁打死个的啊？
What is your name?
My name is Lu.
Where is your home?
My home is Dunsan.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
What is your name?
My name is Dechun.
Where is your home?
My home is Dunshan.
How old are you?
I'm 70.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study English.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English-in-Mongghul.
喊你了，英语了嘛，我跟你说可能开始了吧。
Today, let's begin with 81.
你都不大个，自80这个啥开始了。
This is a song.
Nyen nan tharga.
Please listen and repeat.
Hanela chonwang di taje mishilde.
The name of the song is Kumbaya.
Ni tunen ren kumbaya wa.
Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya.
Kumbaya manishkata. Kumbaya.
Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya.
Kumbaya manishkata. Kumbaya.
Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya.
Kumbaya manishkata. Kumbaya.
O Lord, Kumbaya.
Oh shkata man kumbaya.
Someone's crying, Lord. Kumbaya.
Kan ge vlana shkata kumbaya.
Someone's crying, Lord. Kumbaya.
Kan ge vlana shkata kumbaya.
Someone's crying, Lord. Kumbaya.
Kan ge vlana shkata kumbaya.
O Lord, Kumbaya.
Oh shkata kumbaya.
Someone's praying, Lord. Kumbaya.
Kan ge yanjilana shkata kumbaya.
Someone's praying, Lord. Kumbaya.
Kan ge yanjilana shkata kumbaya.
Someone's praying, Lord. Kumbaya.
Kan ge yanjilana shkata kumbaya.
O Lord, Kumbaya.
Oh shkata kumbaya.
Someone's singing, Lord. Kumbaya.
Kan ge charana shkata kumbaya.
Someone's singing, Lord. Kumbaya.
Kan ge charana shkata kumbaya.
O Lord, Kumbaya.
Oh shkata kumbaya.
Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya.
Kumbaya manishkata kumbaya.
Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya.
Kumbaya manishkata kumbaya.
Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya.
Kumbaya manishkata kumbaya.
O Lord, Kumbaya.
Oh manishkata kumbaya.
Now, please look at number 82.
To hanela zbashe ge nerjelde.
You should choose the correct answer for each sentence.
Misga gwergno duil sandani na hanela chanalde.
I will read just the correct answer.
Puchanya duil san tanan mishya.
Her home is Shigal.
Tena kutenu shkeldo.
She lives in Shigal.
Tya shkeldo suja.
Her father is a herdsman.
Tena panu hunatla jinga.
She has 5 children.
Tenda tavan blina.
She studies at Huzhu Nationalities Middle School.
Tya khotu she minzu dun shuru surna.
His home is Sundu.
Kainu kutenu sundua.
His home is Chogalai.
간의 그때는 차왈도
He is not lazy.
간랑과
He has 2 brothers.
간도 고아가디나
He is not lazy.
간랑과
They have 2 children.
책도 울블리나
He has 2 goats.
간도 고리마이나
She has no children.
텐드 플레이과
My brother has 1 child.
머나 아가디도 니까블레와
He is tired too. T-O-O. Too.
그냥 후뜨이다자
He has 2 brothers. 2. T-W-O. 2.
간도 플레이 고리나
Now, let's look at number 83.
또 하나이라 스파르산 건을 젤도
All the sentences in 83 are wrong. They are not correct.
녀르구과 그 뒤랑과 주즈과라 술라자
Can you correct these sentences?
타그 냐크는 뒤라가스타모
Now, I will correct each sentence.
또버 알릉 우관다 뒤라상그 주리아
There is bread on the table.
시레르 스트마이나
There are hammers behind that box.
탕가 후즈휘나 트위나
There is milk in front of the door.
vdem시 수아항이나
There is soap on the sideboard.
반만즈트라 페이저이나
There is a newspaper behind that vase.
탕가 화풍휘나 보자항이나
There is water in those glasses.
타타비즈흐라 차이나
There is tea in those teacups.
타타간즈흐라 차이나
There are teacups in front of that kettle.
탕가 지홈시 차간즈 이나
There is chocolate behind that book.
탕가 피휘나 초콜릿이나
There is a teapot in the cupboard.
완자귀드라 티휘나
There is a car in front of the building.
까르미시 치체이나
There is coffee on the table.
시리드라 카피나
There is coffee on the table.
시리드라 카피나
There are cars in front of that building.
탕가 까르미시 치체이나
There are teapots in the cupboard.
완자귀르 体会呢。
There are chocolate bars on the book.
就是巧克力体呢。
There are teacups in front of the kettle.
体会么些茶杯子呢。
There is tea in those teacups.
这茶缸子是茶饮呢。
There is water in those glasses.
这茶杯子是个水呢。
There are newspapers behind that vase.
这花盆可能会呢包子呢。
There is soap on the sideboard.
这板板子的非洲人呢。
There is milk in front of the door.
我点么些水呢。
There are 2 milk bottles in front of the door.
我点么些湖南话水呢。
There are hammers behind that box.
这个胡子会呢吹一呢。
Now, please look at number 84.
到海南了，这84个那儿讲。
Please choose the correct answer.
海南了，对了上关呢，就是
I will read the correct answer.
不对了上无关的么些。
There are 2 students in this room. There. T-H-E-R-E.
干出来胡修上一呢。
They're Monghulla farmers. They're T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E.
这个忙我拉黑去吧。你妈的干什么了？现在吸入日妈怕死的呢。
Zhen is giving Limusishidedn some milk.
干什那么单独的是蛮个话呢？
Zhen can give Limusishidedn some milk.
干什那么单独的是蛮个话死的呢？
Zhen is cooking dinner.
干什算的能死的呢？
Zhen can cook dinner.
干什算的能死的呢？
Those Monghulla students are studying math.
这蛮话修上去不修水呢？
Those Monghulla students can study math.
这蛮话修上去不修水的呢？
You are studying English at Huzhu Nationality's middle school.
这好多蛮话些民族中学的引入水呢？
You can study English at Huzhu Nationality's middle school.
这好多蛮话些这个民族中学的引入的水是的个呢？
We are eating barley flour, cheese, and sugar now.
不但是比会儿奶酪的感染的呢。
We can eat barley flour, cheese, and sugar now.
不但是比会儿奶酪感染的是的。
He is eating some good hot mutton soup.
Kan segan halant ki khunu kwamanga uchina.
He can eat some good hot mutton soup.
Kan segan halant ki khunu kwa uchishtana.
That's all for today. Goodbye, everyone.
Hanela neutro jidrukria. Sidas kaldia.
What is your name?
My name is Li Zhenlu.
Where is your home?
My home is Dunshan.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
What is your name?
My name is Dechun.
Where is your home?
My home is Dunshan.
How old are you?
I'm 30.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study
Hello,
English.
everyone, and welcome to English-in-Mongghul.
Hanela snisa. Injula mawana surgunu keslwa.
Today, let's begin with number 87.
Neutro ptakets parchka sa keslia.
All of these sentences have mistakes.
Neo guak zguala sulasya.
Can you correct the mistakes?
Chine sulasa knu tilagastamu.
Please listen and repeat as I read the sentences correctly.
Punyana tilasan de mishia. Hanela chala tawa mishildo.
Is there a passport on that table?
Teshre khodomang inanu.
Is there any milk in that bottle?
Tiang longhatra sumangi inanu.
Are there any spoons on those plates?
Tiang tawar tmashimangi inanu.
Is there a tie on that chair?
Tiang zdra lindemangi inanu.
Is there a loaf of bread on that table?
Tiang shreres tmama inanu.
Are there any hammers on those tables?
Tiang shreres trimangi inanu.
Is there any tea on that table?
Tiang shreres chamangi inanu.
Are there any vases on that television?
Tiang shreres zdra khwapamangi inanu.
Is there a suit in that wardrobe?
Tiang telgi jindra tel ma inanu.
Is there any tobacco on that table?
Tiang shrekra yang inanu.
Now please look at number 88.
To hanela tsparpa ganar chaldo.
Please listen and repeat.
Hanela chola titra wa mishildo.
Do you like milk tea, Mrs. Lamula?
Lamlayo chasundi chatralanu.
Yes, I do.
Putralanu.
Do you want a bowl?
Chijanga klegnu.
Yes, please, Mrs. Gashijin.
Gashayo ndawa.
Do you want a large bowl or a small bowl?
Chishkayanga Khleonu, Malayanga Khleoni.
I want a large bowl.
Pushkayanga Khlegui.
I am very thirsty.
Puchtestia.
Do you want any cheese?
Chinelumanga Khleonu.
Yes, please.
Wa.
I like cheese.
Panelu Tralano.
Do you want any butter?
Chichhatusmanga Khlegunu.
Yes, please.
Khlegui.
I like butter too.
Pochhantusni Yetralano.
Do you want any salt?
Chitastamanga Khlegunu.
No, thank you.
Ango. Chimachkalagua.
I don't like salt in my milk tea.
Pusundi Charna Taslitralano.
I like milk tea with no salt.
Pusundi Char Tasquisasina.
Do you like barley flour with butter, sugar, and cheese?
Chispi Warna Chantusa Gara the Nelu Ihatralano?
Yes, I do.
Patralano.
Do you want some?
Chingijik Kalagunu?
Yes, please.
Wa.
Now, let's please look at number 89.
The Hanela, the Pastiganer Gelder.
Please listen and repeat.
Hanela Chala Titrawa Mishilder.
Do you like mutton soup?
Chichunum Hakwatralano?
Yes, I do.
Patralano.
I like mutton soup.
Puchunum Hakwatralano.
Do you want some mutton soup?
Chichunum Hakwamanga Kalagunu?
Yes, I do.
Puchlegi.
I want some mutton soup.
Puchunum Hakwamanga Kalagi.